Today's topic is to multiply, divide exponents. So let's take a look at here. We just review a little bit. 10 squared, it means 10 times 10. It is called a power. There's another name for it. 5 squared is 5 times 5. 5 squared is also called a power. 5 to the third power is 5 times 5 times 5, 3 of them. And 5 to the third power is also called a power. Now, 10 squared. The 10 is the base. The 2 is the exponent. 5 to the third power. 5 is the base. The 3 is the exponent. X to the fourth power. X is the base, and 4 is the exponent. B to the 10th power. B is the base, and 10 is the exponent. When we multiply expression with the same base, we add the exponents. When we divide expression with the same base, we subtract exponents. So now let's take a look at question number 1. 5 squared times 5 cubed. So we're going to do is 5, and then you add the exponent. 2 plus 3 equal. So 2 plus 3 is 5, so the exponent is 5. So we had the base 5. The reason is 5 squared means 5 times 5. And then 5 cubed, it means 5 times 5 times 5. And then you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 of them. Now let's take a look at number 2. B cubed, or b to the third power, times b to the fourth power. So we're going to add the exponent. So b stay the same. So we 3 plus 4. So b to the seventh power. The reason is b cubed means b times b times b. And then you have b to the fourth power means b times b times b times b. There are 4 of them. Now you add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 7 of them. So that's why we had to add the exponent when we multiply the same base. Now let's take a look at question number 3. We have division. 5 to the fourth power and over 5 to the third power. So we subtract the exponent. So we're going to have 5 stay the same. 4 minus 3. And then 4 minus 3 is 1, so 5 to the first power. 5 to the first power is 5. The reason is because you have 5 to the fourth power means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 4 of them. 5 to the third power, you get 1, 2, 3. And then you cancel, cancel, cancel. And you only have 1 left over. So the shortcut is you're going to subtract exponent when you divide the same base. So now we're going to use the shortcut to do number 4. B to the fifth power divided by b to the second power. So the base is b. Then you do 5 minus 2. And because 5 minus 2 is 3, so the final answer is b to the third power. So now we finish question number 4. Let's take a look at number 5. So we have a squared times a to the third power over a to the fourth. So now this is a multiplication, so therefore we have a and exponent 2 plus exponent 3. 2 plus 3. And then we got a to the fifth power. And then the denominator stays the same. Now it turned into division. Now we're going to subtract exponents. A stays the same, 5 minus 4. A to the first power. A number to the first power stays the same because only one time. So we got A. Now let's take a look at question number 6. Number 6. So we have 4m squared times 2m to the third power. So now we are going to you multiply the number. So we got 4 times 2 together. M squared times m cubed, same base. So we add the exponent. So we got 2 plus 3. And then now we're going to simplify. This times this equal 8. And then m, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the final answer is a, m to the fifth power. Now let's take a look at question number 7. Division. So we're going to divide. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And b to the 20 over b to the 9 is the division. So we subtract exponent. b 20 minus 9. Simplify, so 4 stay the same. 20 minus 9 is 11, so b to the 11. So we finished question number 7. Now let's take a look at question number 8. 4x squared times 5x cubed y squared. So we are going to multiply the number. 4 times 5 is 20. And then we have the same base, x and x. And then we add the exponent in multiplication, so 2 plus 3. And then y squared, there's no other y squared, so stay as y squared. Now we simplify, 20 x to the 5th, because 2 plus 3 is 5, and y squared stay the same. So we finished question number 8. Now let's take a look at number 9. Negative 3 times 2. You use a calculator. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Same base x, so we have x. We add the exponent, 4 plus 6. And then the exponent for the y will be 1 and 7. So therefore, 1 plus 7. If you don't see exponent, that means exponent 1. Now we're going to simplify. So you had negative 6 x to the 10 and y to the 8. So we finished question number 9. Now I'm going to ask you to do the next 3 questions by yourself. I'm going to give you 1 minute, and then I will go over the question with you. Okay, so I believe you finished. Number 10, multiplication. So we do the number first. 5 times 3 is 15. Same base x. And we add the exponent, 2 plus 7. So the final answer is 15 x to the 9 power, because 2 plus 7 is 9. Number 11, division. 40 divided by 8 is 5. And then we have the same base. Division with the subtract exponent, 7 minus 4. So therefore the answer is 5 times x to the 3rd power. Now let's go to number 12. Number 12, you get 8 times 2 is 16. X and x, we add the exponent because this is multiplication. So 4 plus 5. And y, the exponent for y is 1. So we do 1 plus 3. So we simplify, 16 x to the 9, y to the 4. Now we finished today's lesson. Go to write this lesson summary and do the 4 multiple choice questions, just like 10 to 12.